Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. You imagine picking a fresh, jewel red pomegranate from a tree you grew with your own hands right on your patio. Growing your own fruit at home is one of the most satisfying experiences a gardener can have, and few fruits feel as rewarding as a pomegranate. The bright color, the refreshing flavor, and the beautiful tree itself make this plant a favorite among home gardeners across the United States. The exciting part is that you do not need a large backyard orchard to grow one. A single pot, the right care routine, and a little patience can turn a tiny seed into a productive pomegranate tree that gives you fruit year after year. Many beginner gardeners assume fruit trees are complicated, expensive, or difficult to maintain. Pomegranate changes that idea completely. This plant is naturally resilient, adaptable to containers, and capable of thriving in many climates across the country. When grown in a pot, it becomes even easier to manage because you control the soil, the watering routine, and the overall environment. The journey from seed to harvest begins with understanding the plant itself. Pomegranate trees are known for their glossy green leaves, vibrant orange-red flowers, and distinctive round fruits filled with juicy ruby seeds. Even before fruit appears, the plant adds beauty to patios, balconies, gardens, and sunny windows. Starting from seed is both exciting and educational. When you open a ripe pomegranate fruit, you will notice hundreds of glistening seeds surrounded by juicy pulp. Each one has the potential to grow into a tree. Selecting healthy seeds is the first step. Choose seeds from a ripe, fresh fruit because mature seeds germinate more reliably. Before planting, gently rinse the seeds to remove the sugary pulp around them. This step helps prevent mold and improves germination success. After cleaning them, allow the seeds to dry for a short time before planting. Container gardening success begins with choosing the right pot. A medium-sized container with drainage holes works best during the early stages. Drainage is extremely important because standing water can damage young roots. Many beginners accidentally overwater fruit plants, but good drainage prevents many problems before they even start. Soil plays a major role in healthy growth. Pomegranate trees prefer well-draining soil that still holds some moisture. A mix designed for fruit plants or container gardening works well. Some gardeners blend potting mix with compost and a small amount of sand or perlite to improve drainage and aeration. Once the soil is ready, plant the seeds about a ½ inch deep and gently water the soil. The goal is moisture, not soaking wet conditions. Place the pot in a warm, bright location where the seeds can receive indirect sunlight during the early stage. Germination usually occurs within a few weeks. Watching the first tiny green shoots appear is a rewarding moment for any gardener. At this stage, the plant is delicate but full of potential. Consistent light and moderate watering help the seedling establish strong roots. Light is one of the most important factors in growing a strong pomegranate plant. These trees absolutely love sunlight. In many parts of the United States, placing the pot where it receives 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily will dramatically improve growth. A sunny patio balcony or south-facing window can be perfect. When the plant receives enough light, its leaves grow thicker, stems become stronger, and future flowering becomes more likely. Lack of sunlight often leads to slow growth and weak stems. Temperature also influences the health of the plant. Pomegranate trees thrive in warm environments. They enjoy temperatures similar to comfortable summer weather. During the growing season, warmth encourages faster leaf development and stronger root systems. If temperatures drop too low, growth may slow. For gardeners in cooler regions, container planting offers an advantage because the plant can be moved to a warmer area when necessary. This flexibility makes container gardening extremely practical. Watering is where many beginners either succeed or struggle. The key is balance. Pomegranate plants appreciate consistent moisture but dislike soggy soil. Deep watering followed by a short drying period helps roots grow stronger. When watering, allow water to flow through the drainage holes. This ensures the entire root system receives moisture. Afterward, allow the top layer of soil to dry slightly before watering again. This rhythm encourages deeper root growth and prevents root rot. Healthy roots are the hidden foundation of a productive plant. When roots expand through the soil properly, the tree becomes more resilient to heat, temporary dryness, and seasonal changes. As the plant grows taller and stronger, feeding it properly helps support lush growth. Pomegranate plants respond well to light fertilization during the growing season. A balanced fertilizer used occasionally can help encourage foliage development and future flowering. Organic compost is another excellent option. It slowly releases nutrients, improves soil health, and supports beneficial microorganisms. Many home gardeners prefer compost because it creates steady growth without overwhelming the plant. Pruning is an important but simple practice that keeps the plant healthy and productive. When a young pomegranate tree begins developing multiple stems, selective pruning helps shape the plant and improve airflow. Removing weak or crowded branches allows the tree to focus its energy on strong growth. In container gardening, pruning also keeps the plant at a manageable size. Pinching new growth tips can encourage branching, resulting in a fuller plant. A well-shaped pomegranate tree not only looks better but also supports better fruit production later on. As the plant matures, one of the most exciting stages begins: flowering. Pomegranate flowers are bright, bold, and visually striking. Their vibrant orange-red color makes the tree attractive even before fruit forms. These flowers eventually transform into small developing fruits. Watching the fruit grow slowly larger week by week is one of the most satisfying experiences in container gardening. During the fruiting stage, the plant benefits from consistent care. Adequate sunlight, proper watering, and light feeding all contribute to fruit quality. Patience becomes important because fruit development takes time. Unlike fast-growing vegetables, fruit trees follow a slower rhythm, but the reward is worth the wait. Eventually, the fruit begins to change color and develop its familiar round shape. The outer skin becomes firmer and richer in tone. This is the moment gardeners look forward to: harvest time approaching. Harvesting a pomegranate grown from your own plant feels incredibly rewarding. The fruit represents months of care, observation, and learning. However, like all plants, pomegranate trees can face a few challenges. One common issue beginners notice is yellowing leaves. This can occur due to overwatering, poor drainage, or insufficient sunlight. Checking soil moisture and adjusting watering habits often solves the problem quickly. Another issue may involve pests such as aphids or small insects. These can usually be managed by rinsing leaves with water or using gentle plant care solutions. Sometimes plants drop flowers before fruit develops. This can happen when the plant is still young or adjusting to environmental conditions. With time and proper care, the tree usually stabilizes and begins producing fruit more reliably. Seasonal care also helps maintain long-term health. During cooler months, growth slows naturally. Watering should be slightly reduced, but the plant should still receive sunlight. Container plants benefit from occasional repotting as roots expand. Moving the plant into a slightly larger pot every couple of years keeps the root system healthy and prevents overcrowding. The beauty of growing fruit at home goes beyond harvesting food. It changes how people connect with nature. Watching a seed become a living tree teaches patience, responsibility, and appreciation for the natural world. Many gardeners say their first fruit harvest becomes a lasting memory. It represents the moment when gardening shifts from a hobby into a passion. For beginners across the United States, pomegranate trees are a fantastic starting point. They are adaptable, visually beautiful, and surprisingly forgiving. Even small outdoor spaces can support container fruit trees. A balcony, porch, rooftop garden, or sunny yard corner can become a productive mini orchard. Gardening also creates a calming routine in daily life. Checking leaves in the morning, watering the soil, or watching new growth appear can be deeply relaxing. Over time, many gardeners expand their collection of plants, but the first successful fruit tree always holds a special place. Your pomegranate tree will continue growing stronger each season. With proper sunlight, careful watering, occasional feeding, and thoughtful pruning, it can produce fruit for many years. And each harvest becomes a reminder that something extraordinary can begin with something as small as a seed. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture. Hub your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.